We are live here with a very unusual situation that we thought we would share with all of you so you understand the way we sometimes do things. We have our team here to go up this tree to the very tippy top, you see. Somebody's stuck. We've got an osprey that's been hanging since 10:30 this morning. No fire truck can get in, no boom truck can get in, and this poor bird is dangling from fishing line. It is wrapped around its wing, around the elbow joint, as well as a leg. And our team is here to try our best to save its life. It's not gonna be good if we can't get to him, but right now the team feels pretty confident. We've got actually both of our climbers are going to be going up. One is going to manage the net to catch the bird, while the other is going to be doing the cutting to cut the line, because this tree where it's stuck, of course, is the flimsy top of this tree. So let me show you again. It is an oak tree, which is nice. It's got some good live leaders and branches up there for them to tie off to, but the bird is at the spindly top, as you can see there in that opening. So the situation requires that they get as close as they can, and they have extension poles for cutting and for catching. Okay, folks, we are back, and Todd is on his way up. Right now, the plan is Todd goes up, figures out if a second climber is also going up. And we hope to be done with all of this before any storms roll in, because there are some severe weather alert, probably thunderstorms coming through at some point, but right now the skies are pretty blue. It has been pretty windy at the top of that tree, but it's doable. It's still doable. Okay, so the second climber is needed and is going up. So we've got both our climbers in the same tree. Alex is gonna be up there with Todd very shortly, and one of them will try to net while one of them cuts. That's the idea. They are as high up as they can go. So what's going on right now is there is an extension pole. They're trying to reach that up to see if they can get to the actual line that's holding that osprey. They're not cutting yet. They're just trying to measure and understand where they are and where they need to be. I think that's going to work. I hope. It's very hard because, of course, these are on extensions, and they have to have the upper body strength after climbing to hold these extension poles themselves to do the job they need to do. I think that the net looks like it's in a pretty good position. Okay, so this is happening. He's trying to net. If he can get that bird tangled up in that net. Gosh, let the bird get tangled up in the net. He's in the net. He's in the net. He's in the net. He's in the net. Trying to find the line. But here's the good news. The bird is in the net. And the bird is able to relax a little bit. This is crazy. Wow. He's got it. He's got it. Oh, it just came loose. Oh, and by the way, this is success. But that was crazy.